What's going on, guys? Welcome to the video today, and I'm going to be getting going on the INFINITI G35 that we talked about in the previous video. We're actually going to get some tint going on it. One of my first things that I always do to a vehicle is tint. It doesn't matter what it is, it's always tint. You don't want that fishbowl look. It keeps the sun out, protects the interior, and everything else. What my rule of thumb is I always like to do, if I'm doing the windshield, I always do the sides not as dark. I like to do 25 on the side and then 35 on the windshield, and that seems to work pretty good. I actually have that on the 350Z as well. The back glass and see the cross brace over there, and to me I like that. You can still see somewhat inside the interior, and then it gives it that nice stealth look from the front. So the guy that normally tints my cars, he's actually going to be here in probably about 10 minutes, and we'll get some shots of him installing, and I'm going to give him a hand with the tint, and then we'll give you a before and after shot of the car itself. Alright, so the car is actually done being tinted now. It took a little bit just because of these colder temperatures. It's actually harder for the tint to adhere to the windows. You don't have that baking hot humidity weather where it's nice and tacky and sticky, so it was kind of a bit of a pain in some areas where it's still drying. It's going to take probably a couple weeks to actually work out all the bubbles. It turned out really good here, and I'll show you guys a walk around with it. So as you can see, it looks way better. Night and day difference. I think tint makes a huge difference on a car. Definitely a must-have. Now you can't actually see as much through anymore. It's just something subtle. It's not too dark. It's not going to get you pulled over. It's just a good amount of tint. It matches the sunroof actually too as well. So everything flows nicely with that. Obviously the back windows and side windows are all the same. So keep tuned for the next videos that we're going to be doing with this car. Obviously we'll be doing wheels, brakes, raising the car up a bit. Keep an eye out for those videos if you guys are interested. We'll load it up on the hoist over here and get all the work done. We'll keep you guys posted with that. Appreciate you guys watching. Keep updated with the G35 budget build. We'll be doing brake video soon and a few other things soon as well. Keep your notifications on and comment down below if you guys have any hints or tips on stuff that we can do with this car. We're just trying to make it not a cheap build, but like something that, you know, somebody can go out and buy and enjoy, and without breaking the bank, and make it look really good. So I hope you guys enjoyed and have a good evening.